Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the specific Google account you want to export. Do not guess. Once signed in, open Google Takeout and immediately pick only the services you need: Drive, Photos, Mail, or Contacts. Make sure to exclude large services if you want a faster export. Next, select one-time export versus scheduled exports and pick file type: zip for compatibility or TGZ for large archives. This gets you moving quickly into creating the archive. Once done choosing services, you configure delivery and archive size. This controls how you receive data. Choose delivery: a download link emailed to you or direct add to Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. Choose based on storage available. Then set archive size: 2 GB, 10 GB, 50 GB, because larger exports split into multiple files automatically. Make sure to review included folders and email labels so you don't miss nested folders in Drive or archived mail. You now monitor export progress from the Takeout page. Some archives take hours. When ready, download each part, if split, into a secure location. After downloading, verify files open and check key folders and mail labels to confirm completeness. Use checksums if provided. If a file is corrupted or missing data, request a new export and this time reduce archive size or export fewer services. One troubleshooting tip: if downloads fail repeatedly, try a different browser or a wired connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.